According to a recent study over a 4-year period, businesses across 129 companies in 14 different industry sectors wasted approximately $30 billion in software licenses. It was a staggering 37% of the overall software licensing costs and translated to $259 per desktop. How many devices do you have? Most medium and large companies rely on their IT to manage their software purchasing, annual renewals, and even the tracking and controlling of where the software is initially installed. However, the question is, how does your IT team ensure that each person in the department is really using the software? Did they remove the costly and special software when an employee moves from one department to another or changes a role within the same department? Did they give guidance when onboarding new resources? Which software and system accounts are most critical? So when that new resource arrives, they can start contributing right away? If not, then we have a simple solution for you. Optimus Hive supports you solving these issues. It will let you know when a licensed application is never used. It can even let you know if it's used 5, 10, or 15% of the assigned employee's time. It empowers your IT team to manage software licenses more efficiently and further secure your information by notifying you when an employee shifts to a new role or department, and when a particular software application or website is used and not used by others in a similar role. Lastly, it could assist you in gathering the data you need to transition to software licenses using rolling or floating-based licensing versus fixed or named user license. In the world of SAP, this means millions of savings for your business. Well, wait, there is even more amazing capabilities Optimus Hive provides that can shorten the time, making your employees more productive and efficient for your business, thus improving your overall bottom line, making you that market leader. Each feature alone is worth having the tool, but they come packaged together, so you have everything you need. Visit www.optimushive.com today for more information.